The deep depression over the Bay of Bengal has intensified into cyclonic storm Yas at today morning. This is the update number 2 on Cyclone Yas. Cyclone Yas is currently a cyclonic storm with wind speeds of 75 km an hour, gusting up to 65 km an hour, with a central pressure of 990 millibars, and it is moving towards the northwest with a speed of 2 km during the past 6 hours. Cyclone Yas is currently located near latitude 16.4 degree north and longitude 89.6 degree east. It is currently located about 620 km north-northwest of Port Blue, 530 km south-southeast of Paradip in Odisha, 630 km south-southeast of Balasore in Odisha, and 620 km south-southeast of Digha in West Bengal. It would continue to move north-northwest, intensify further, and reach Northwest Bay of Bengal and North Odisha and West Bengal coasts by 26 May early morning, and is very likely to cross North Odisha West Bengal coasts between Paradip and Sagar Islands around the noon of 26 May as a very severe cyclonic storm. According to this forecast track and intensity table, the cyclone could reach its peak intensity on 26 May with wind speeds of 155 to 165 km an hour, gusting up to 185 km an hour. Currently, a yellow cyclone alert is placed for Odisha West Bengal coasts. This is the observed and forecast track along with cone of uncertainty of cyclonic storm Yas over East Central Bay of Bengal. This is the observed and forecast track along with quadrant wind distribution of cyclonic storm Yas over East Central Bay of Bengal. This is the storm surge map by the INCOIS model. This is the rainfall warning placed for West Bengal and Odisha during the next 3 days when cyclone Yas will affect these two states. This is the wind warning over West Bengal and Odisha for the next 3 days. This is the multimodal diagnostic comparison. As you can see from our previous update, it has significantly decreased and now most models are indicating a peak of around 80 miles an hour. This is the track. As you can see now most models are indicating a landfall over Odisha adjoining the West Bengal coast. These are some more of the images of Cyclone Yas. This is the sea surface temperatures where Cyclone Yas is located over the Bay of Bengal. As you can see, pretty warm there, around 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. That could possibly make the cyclone a little more to intensify. This is the latest satellite imagery of cyclonic storm Yas. As you can see, it is swirling around in the Bay of Bengal and is slowly intensifying and is expected to reach the West Bengal Odisha coasts within 2 days. So stay safe whoever are in the path of this storm, and stay tuned for further updates and subscribe our channel for the latest updates.